Hello, hello, my loves. Welcome into my beautiful kitchen. It is your girl, Gabrielle Reyes. Mix that baby
up. Mix it all together.
Mix it up. Mix up that special sauce. Mix it up.
This is like that. Hey, the Jack in the Box special sauce. This is it right here. Okay, oh, look at that. That's a nice little color right there.
Perfect. Now, that would be cute by itself, but, you know, your girl Gabrielle's mad extra.
Okay,
mad
let's
extra.
go.
So
Bring
we're
it.
going to add in some pickles.
Wow, okay.
Also some maple syrup.
Maple syrup?
A little bit of sweetness. Also some apple cider vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar, okay.
And then garlic powder, onion powder.
Guess what I'm doing now? Mixing it up, mixing it up.
Eat it.
Hey, hey.
Brown sugar going in. White sugar, it isn't a saying. Brown sugar going in and cinnamon.
Take us to church, girl. Take us to church.
You're probably wondering, how's this gonna turn into beef? Because last time I checked, beef comes from a cow.
Well, you know, I kind of figure you're doing like a little bit like of a take on it.
Obviously, at this point, you know I'm obsessed with mushrooms.
I know, you are. You're big on mushrooms.
So we're gonna add these into our food processor.
Okay, the
just
mushrooms,
like that,
nice.
whole. And now it's time for our seasoning and spices.
Ooh.
I'm Chef Gabrielle. I am a musical plant-based chef. One great vegan. Oh, I see vegetables, baby.
She's a singing vegan.
A singing vegan.
Vegan.
Let's go. Celery, kale, baby. I ain't messing with no fish today. I got lentils. I know what I'm doing with those. Zucchini. Okay, I can make some meat out of that. Got some sprouts. Y'all gonna get something stacked. I love cooking with veggies, and I got a basket full of veggies. Score!
Okay, so how much of that would you eat in a regular?
All of it. No. No. So basically what I would do is probably fill up one of these. Actually,
Right.
why don't I go ahead and do it for you?
Take a little try.
Get a little bite of everything.
Mm-hmm. That tastes great.
Thank you.
It really does.
It is the cashews. They know what they're doing.
There goes singing.
Cauliflower sauce. Oh, she smells good. Okay, girl, you delicious though. Powder.
Ooh, there we go. There's the color.
Other sauce. Red chili pepper flakes. Smoked paprika. We got some sauce. Ooh.
Already, Gabrielle is transforming things into something other than what they are.
I had a ton of fun. Thanks, y'all.
I guess the winner is clear.
Absolutely. So with a total of 17 points, Gabrielle is this week's winner.
Woohoo, Gabrielle.
Our Aki is ready to serve. Check it out. Why does that look just like eggs? Why? Tell me why you are so good. I love you. I really want to dig on in, y'all. I'm going to dig on in. Bell peppers, onions, salt, pepper, smoked paprika. When it's so good, you got to dance with it. You just got to take it on a date, you know? Oh my goodness. This is a party in my mouth.
Look at how Gabrielle pulls off this Rihanna look. A black dress is all that you need, and then put the puffer coat over. So the puffer coat, again, is gonna be something you can wear. It's in your closet, or you can grab, we saw one at H&M for under $50.
So I'm excited for y'all to make this recipe. And when you do, be sure to get in all that color, that goodness, that fabulousness, and have fun.